Hi, this is the platform of Learner Adhikari. Atlas of Human Anatomy is our book. Our chapter is Body Planes and Terms of Relationship. I hope this video may help for first year MBBS student. See, in this chapter we are going to learn sagittal plane, coronal plane, transverse plane. See, this is the coronal plane. And this is transverse plane, and this is sagittal plane. In sagittal plane, the uppermost part is known as posterior or dorsal plane, and the lower part is known as anterior or ventral plane. Okay? We have two vertical planes. One is sagittal plane, another is frontal or coronal plane. We have one horizontal plane, and it is also known as transverse plane. And this is oblique plane, and it is also known as odd angle plane. Sagittal plane, it runs vertically from top to bottom, and it divides the body into a left and right portion. Sagittal plane, it is also divided into two parts, mid-sagittal plane and parasagittal plane. If the sagittal plane runs directly down the midline of the body, it is called a mid-sagittal plane or median plane. Sagittal planes that are uneven, not down the midline, are called parasagittal planes. See, this is the view of our skull. This is frontal bone, this is occipital bone, this is temporal bone, and this is sagittal suture. This sagittal suture is dividing temporal bone into two parts. One is left temporal bone, another is right temporal bone. This is the view of transverse or horizontal plane. This is only the horizontal plane, and it divides the body into a top and bottom portion. This is superior portion and this is inferior portion. The prefix trans means across, also called a horizontal plane. See, this is the view of oblique plane, a plane that is any type of angle other than horizontal or vertical plane. Oblique means something is not parallel or a right angle, and easy way to remember this is to remember oblique or odd angle. This is oblique muscles. Frontal or coronal plane. The frontal or coronal plane will literally leave you with a front and back portion. A plane that runs vertically from top to bottom, and it divides the body into a front or anterior side or and a back or posterior side. This is the mnemonics. You can remember it as a soft. S means sagittal, O means oblique, F means frontal or coronal, T means transverse or horizontal. Let's try it. Which plane is it? This pink one. It is transverse plane. How? It divides the body into superior and inferior plane. This blue, it is a coronal plane. And this yellow, this is sagittal plane. How it is sagittal? It divides the body into left and right, no. And this coronal plane divides back and front view. See, you have to learn this also. This uppermost part is known as superior, this down inferior, and this cranial, this caudal. And see, this is proximal and this is distal. Same in here, proximal and distal. It is in mid line, so it is known as middle, and it is away from midline, so it is known as lateral. And right left. So this much for today. I hope this video may help you. Goodbye.